The best part of owning the Jimny is the ability to personalize and customize it to suit your needs, whether that's adventuring, extreme 4x4, overlanding, or just a daily driver. With the Gen 4 there are so many aftermarket items available from resellers, but there's also an opportunity to flex a creative DIY muscle and generate your own mods. Here is a walk around of our Jimny and what we've done to modify and personalize it to our needs. Our requirements are to be able to use it as a daily driver, as well as an adventure vehicle and a tow vehicle for overlanding camping trips, so it's quite a broad use base. Above all, we always try to consider weight when considering adding or designing a modification. So let's take a walk around. To start with the more cosmetic modifications, we wanted to personalize the Jimny, and we're toying with ideas when we watched Martin Lyons from Big Jimny's videos on the decals they were sourcing for the restoration of James's SJ. We like the idea of doing a throwback to that retro graphics with a twist for the Gen 4, and this is what we came up with. We designed, cut and installed these ourselves, and we're quite happy with the outcome. Then to move on to items that are both cosmetic and functional. These door handle protectors really do limit nail scratches on paint. These we sourced from Alpha Wraps. We'll add the links in the description. We must say though that no items are sponsored and they're all bought from our own pocket. We do quite extensive research on anything that we fit to our Jimny. We had rock sliders on our Gen 3, so we know the value add. These were manufactured by Wild Dog and we liked how they were styled very similar to their OEM plastic sills. On the front end of the Suzuki bonnet we added a guard to protect from stone chip and hopefully deflect away any rocks flying around from the windscreen. The grille was swapped out for a heritage grille, and the white lettering we masked and painted red to go with the color theme of our Jimny. More noticeably in the front is the spotlights and mounting brackets, which we manufactured ourselves to bolt onto the existing chassis. We also mounted our communications aerial to these. The spotlights we used are 6-inch Hella Supernovas with DRL built in, and we were very happy with them. Underneath we opted for the Old Man Emu suspension with a 40mm lift kit. We have also added the Desol 32mm wheel spacers for a wider stance, not only cosmetically but also a more positive and stable ride to match the Genie trailer wheel tracks. Further from Desol, we added the following: front differential protection, transfer case protector, radial cup protectors, and the diff breather kit. We are very happy with the ride quality from the Old Man Emu suspension. We have also added the caster correction bushers. For towing the Genie trailer, we've added the airlift air helper bags to the rear coil springs. This helps when the loaded trailer is attached and can be deflated when not towing. Lastly, underneath we were a bit concerned about the plastic box protecting the carbon canister. We followed the idea of a fellow Jimny owner and manufactured a nice thick aluminium protection plate. This helps deflect any nasty twigs or branches that could snag it. A tow bar to pull the Genie trailer and a custom wheel cover to protect the spare wheel from the harsh African sun. That's our exterior mods so far. In the next video we'll take a look inside, where we have custom made a lot of items to make packing and stowage a little bit easier in the Jimny. Like and subscribe to get notified when that video drops.